Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am finally back with another video, and for today's look I have this blue kind of half cut crease, kind of smoky eye kind of look. I don't even know what to call it, but if you want to know how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the ColourPop Blue Moon palette, and I'm going to be taking this color and putting it all over my crease, blending it up into the brow bone, and I'm going to mainly use this color as a transition color. I'm going to slowly deepen it up, then I'm going to take these two colors and put them pretty much in the exact same place, just going to deepen up the color a little bit and just keep on blending. Then I'm going to be taking the darkest two colors in the palette and I'm going to be placing them in the outer V and up into the crease. I want the outer V really dark, so I'm going to apply some color and blend it out and apply more color and just keep blending. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer and cut my crease. I'm only going to do half of my eyelid, and you can tell that I take my concealer way up on my lid just because of my hooded eyes, so that when I'm looking straight ahead or when I open my eye, you can still see the color that I put on my lid. Then I'm going to go ahead again and take the darkest two colors, mix them together, and deepen up the line right over where I cut the crease. I want that line really nice and defined for this look. So I'm going to deepen it up and then go in once again with my concealer and just clean it up really nice and crisp. Then I'm going to take this color and put it all over my lid. I'm going to go ahead and put the color on my brush and then wet my brush a little bit just to intensify it. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeliner off camera, and then I'm going to go in with my face makeup. So right here, I'm just going through all of my face makeup really quickly. If you guys want me to do an updated foundation routine, just comment it down below and let me know so I can do that. So I'm just going to do my foundation, concealer, powder, blush, bronzer, highlight, everything that goes on my face. I'm just going to do that separately, just to make this video a little bit shorter. Then I'm going to be taking the darkest color in the palette and I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and apply my false eyelashes really quick. And then right here, I am doing my inner corner highlight with the lightest color in the palette. And I'm also going to apply it right over my cheekbone highlight. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply some lipstick and some lip gloss over my lipstick color. If you guys want to know all the products that I use, just check the description bar down below. I'll have all the products listed. But yeah, after that, I'm pretty much done with the entire look. This is just one of my favorite palettes that I have in my collection right now. And I really like how all these colors look on me. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, like this video if you liked it, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.